Ever wondered who might inherit the Earth if humans were to go extinct? According to world-leading experts, the answer might surprise you. It's octopuses. These eight-limbed marvels of the deep are not just fascinating, they could be the next rulers of our planet. Professor Tim Coulson from Oxford University believes octopuses possess the key traits needed for world domination: advanced cognition, tool use, and adaptability. Imagine a world where octopuses, who can already breathe out of water for up to 30 minutes, evolve to hunt on land as efficiently as humans hunt in the sea. Their dexterity, curiosity, and ability to communicate are just the start. Coulson points out their advanced neural structure and decentralized nervous system make them uniquely suited for an unpredictable world. Octopuses are more than just clever creatures. Their problem-solving skills, ability to manipulate objects, and even camouflage with stunning precision suggest they could evolve into a civilization-building species. Picture octopuses constructing underwater cities, or even venturing onto land with breathing apparatus to hunt. Why octopuses and not primates? Coulson explains primates face similar challenges to humans and would likely go extinct alongside us. Birds and insects might perform some human-like tasks, but they lack the octopus's intelligence and adaptability. Think it's far-fetched? Consider this. Paul the Octopus shot to fame in 2010 by correctly predicting 8 out of 8 football results. If they can do that, who knows what other remarkable feats they might achieve. In a post-human world, octopuses might just be the unlikely contenders for Earth's next dominant species. As Professor Coulson concluded, we certainly can't rule it out. So, next time you look into the ocean, remember the future rulers of Earth might be gazing back at you. Fascinating, isn't it? Thanks for watching.